Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you. I am about to make my own pond mix. Here I have some mini pumice and then these natural stones. It's a combination of quite a few different stones. I think some sand as well. So I'm going to rinse it. I'll fill you in on the rest later. Okay, before I start rinsing this, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'll end up washing the pumice separately and then mix them together. You can see the green, the zeolite, liquor balls it looks like. Not balls, I'm sorry. Lava rock. Maybe some pumice too. It's a pretty color. Alright guys, so here is, I had 3-to-1 ratio here. The pumice was not as dirty. I only had to rinse that a couple of times. This here, I had to rinse quite a bit. So the ratio I have here is about 3-to-1. I'm going to mix that together and we'll see how it works. Homemade pond. Okay guys, so this is the end result. Really pretty color. Now I did get mini pumice. Next time I'll try the medium size to make it about equal. I used about half of that bag. It's a 2-liter bag of pumice. Pumice is expensive, so it had a little bit in the original mix. Very little. When I rinsed it, I could see there was some in there. Pumice can be expensive, so I guess that's why they only had a little bit in there. So I see the zeolite and lava rocks, and I don't know what else. There was some sand in there, and I probably rinsed a lot of that away. But it's pretty decent, clean, so we'll see. We'll see how it all works out. I'll keep you posted.